cute, cute, fuzzy, fuzzy, cute, cute, fuzzy, fuzzy, cute. Come on, Alice.
Okay, I'm coming.
Wait, I want to come.
No.
Yes.
Get out of here.
I want to come though.
There isn't enough space.
Can't I sit on the bonnet?
Are you crazy? You'll fall off.
Why do you care?
I don't. Get on the bonnet.
I want to get back down.
Get under there. Where are we going exactly? Oh, you'll find out.
What type of car wash would you like today?
Car wash? Supreme Deluxe, please. Spring edition.
At your service.
But I think you should already know that I hate water. I don't do it.
Ha ha, Alice is gonna get wet.
Come on, get out the car.
Okay.
I don't do water.
Oh, your car wash is now finished. Your car is over there.
Oh, over there. Let's go.
Oh, okay. Dibs, Alice's seat.
Move.
I said dibs.
I said move.
Okay, Feisty.
Stop arguing. Let's just go home.
Time for you to get out.
Get out.